So the question is, what roles in cybersecurity collide with data science? And this is a great question, and it was really topical to ask on my video about Splunk.conf, which is Splunk's conference. Now, Splunk is a SIEM tool, which I've talked about before, and it stands for Security Information and Event Management, which ingests all your data from all your, for a lack of a better word, stuff in your enterprise. Though this is mostly computers, servers, your networking equipment, but extends to cloud email, and pretty much anything you can think of that generates some sort of log files. As a data analyst, your job is to make sense of usually a large amount of data. And Splunk is not necessarily a security tool, even though it is widely used as one. Data analysts use it as well. A non-security application that I could think of off the top of my head is that the McLaren F1 race team uses Splunk to analyze terabytes of data from their races, which is a super cool application of the tool. But to answer the actual question, let's pivot to security use cases. If you like analyzing a lot of data, making informed decisions based on it, then you would enjoy doing what I do and working in a SOC or security operations center. There are two main roles or components of a SOC, and that is detecting and investigating possible cybersecurity incidents. Detection engineers look through data, find patterns, trends, or malicious indicators to then build alerts that detect malicious activity. SOC analysts then respond to those alerts and perform an investigation, pivoting to other data sources if necessary to confirm if the alert fired is a true positive incident or a false positive detection. If a detection has too many false positives, it can be an indication that it needs further tuning, which requires the detection engineer to possibly restructure some of the logic in the alert to fire more accurately. SOC, or cybersecurity analysts, generally start in entry-level positions, so this is likely one of the first things you'll be doing in your cyber career. If you move on to detection engineering, I can say that it is one of the most fulfilling and can even be one of the most creative things you can do in cybersecurity. Learning a SIEM's query language, being able to build detections that can accurately find malicious activity in your data is super cool and also really sought after if you can do it well. As a security operations engineer myself, I do a mix of detection and automation engineering, which is a very fun combo. So, where do you start and how do you get there? Spinning up a home lab, ingesting different data types to a free Splunk instance, and using Splunk's query language to look through the data you want and then manipulating or shaping it in a useful way would be a great first step. And if this is something that you all want a tutorial on, I'm more than willing to do that as well. Splunk also has a free 14-day cloud trial that you can use with no need to set up your own home lab, and you can find Splunk training logs online to use as well. This is a great way to start even quicker, as you don't even need to set up anything yourself. It's all online. So if you want to become a detection engineer, starting as a SOC analyst is a great way to get your foot in the door. You solidify your knowledge of security, of your SIEM, and further learn how to put together queries to find the data and the output you are looking for. As always, keep loving and learning CyberSec, and I will see you in the next one.